Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the file and signing into Google. Export your contacts from the original app as CSV or vCard and confirm headers match Google's columns: name, email, phone. Once done, open Contacts. Google.com or the Contacts app in Gmail and sign into the destination account. Make sure you're in the correct account. This avoids overwriting. Then click Import and choose the file type. This begins the upload pipeline and gets you ready for mapping fields in the next step. Now map and import the data carefully. When Google prompts, match each CSV column to the correct Google field: first name, last name, phone, email, so entries populate correctly. If you have many duplicates, use the Merge Duplicates tool or let Google suggest merges. Choose Merge when confident to avoid losing variants. For very large files, split into batches to prevent timeouts. Watch for success confirmations and review a few records to ensure names and phones landed in the right fields before moving on. Finish by verifying and addressing any issues. You should spot check a mix of new contacts and older ones. Confirm emails and phone numbers display correctly and labels or groups applied as expected. If something's off, use undo or delete the imported contacts group, fix the CSV, normalize phone formats, remove stray commas or quotes, and re-import. If the import fails midway, split the file into smaller batches and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: always keep a backup of the original CSV so you can restore and retry safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.